Ooh, looky, looky. Oh, cool. Hey, you guys. What's good, boss chicks? I'm back with another one, and y'all, we're about to do another collab. So let's get into package. Ooh, ooh, looky, looky. Hey, shout out to Beetles for sponsoring today's video and sending us this package. So let's get right on into it. Y'all, this is like so big for the camera. We're not going to even worry about that. But looky, looky. Here's all of Beetles information, BeetlesGel.com on Instagram and TikTok, y'all. So let's get into this box. I'm so excited. If you're excited, go ahead and smash the like button. Ooh, looky, looky. Oh, cool. Awesome. Oh, look, you get everything you need. Who doesn't need nippers? Everybody needs nippers. Ooh, look at that. You got some base gel, some top coat, and you got your shiny top coat and your matte top coat. And they even threw in the cuticle oil. Let's go. Let's see what else is in this box. Ooh, yes, yes, sis. You need your UV gloves. Yes. For sticking your hand in that light all the time. Looky, looky. I want to see if they had their name on it. Oh, these feel nice. Okay. Let's get into everything that's in the box. You get, of course, your application guide and everything like that. Oh, okay. It just unfolds. Look at here. It is pretty long. So, if you have not used any of Beetles products before, go ahead and make sure that you read through these instructions, or just go ahead and smash that subscribe button and I'll teach you everything you need to know. Licensed nail tech here. Let's get into the more goodies. Oh, look. Okay. Let's just take everything out the box, y'all. This is so freaking cute. Everything you need to do your mani at home. Let's plug her up. This light is small enough to fit in your to-go bag. Honey, you can do your nails anywhere. Look, I tore up my glove. Look at that, fit right up under there. Okay. Comes with everything you need to do your manicure. Bottle opener, separators, got some nail clippers, cuticle pusher, scraper on the other side, 100 180 grit file, 100 180 grit buffer, dust brush, and then you also get an art brush. So there are 12 colors in this kit. Each polish is 5 mil. That is more than enough to do your own manicures at home. I'm going to leave the kit in the description box below for you to go ahead and check that out. Okay, sis, let's get into these nails. Oh my God, it is going to be such a story time. So, as you can see, I'm starting off with polygel. Oh my goodness, I tried to bring polygel because the girlies like the polygel. Oh, okay. Also, I'm also swatching the colors in the upper right hand corner because I didn't want this video to be extremely long. But sis, when I say I was struggling, like it was like the nail gods were not with me this day. I was struggling with this polygel. Like it was a little stiff at first, but of course, once you get it out of the tube and get it onto your hands, it's gonna warm up and all things are gonna be better, right? So I thought, when I say I was just too frustrated, baby, we ended up with a hybrid nail set because who we what I wanted to do, the way my mind was set up, it just was not given. So I am going to speed through a lot of the poly gel simply because listen, I gotta stay in my lane. I gotta stay in my lane. Acrylic is my medium. It's my medium. I absolutely love it. And no, honey, this was taking too long. Okay. Like, yeah, you have all the time in the world to work with polygel. However, mm-mm, mm-mm. I did not even leave the real time in here for this nail. But then I also was struggling with myself because I really, really hate to give up. So I didn't really want to give up at all. So I did my middle finger too, but that also took a lot of time. So I was like, no, I'm done. Like, this is over with. No, we're not gonna do that. We're not gonna do that. Now, jumping into this index nail. So I'm putting on the flowers and curing them on with some base gel from the kit. This jelly topper did not come on this flash cure lamp. I just had an additional topper, and then I just, you know, stuck it on there and did that. However, I really didn't like all the spillage that I was getting, like on the sides and stuff, working with that. And at this point, once I got done with this nail, I'm like, you know what? This is what we're gonna do. Okay, and we're gonna stick to what works. And sometimes you have to do that when you are doing nails. You have to stick to what works for you, what works best for you, and what's going to give you the best results. I over here on this channel, I really try not to do a whole lot of trends and stuff like that. I bring you a lot of my own freestyles simply because nails are art and you be your own artist, honey. Come up with what you want to do, so on and so forth. But once I got my acrylic brush in my hand, baby, with my clear acrylic, I was in there and things started to go a lot faster. I was also kind of upset with myself because I'm like, if I could have started this with acrylic and just stuck with acrylic instead of trying to fit the mold of what other people want me to be. And that's another thing. That's another topic, but okay, I'll get into that in another video, but I should have stuck with what works for best for me. I know some people struggle with acrylic. I have some tips and tricks that I can share with you on how to do your acrylic nails and make them much easier. But look, at one point I was about to go back over those two polygel nails, the pinky and the middle nail, with acrylic to build up the apex. But I'm like, nah, I didn't want to do that. I just stuck with polygel on those two nails only, and the rest of these nails are going to be acrylic. We are going to encapsulate the ring nail. It's going to be all flowers on this nail. And by the way, I am using a size 10 Kolinsky brush, as well as I'm using my Mia Secret Clear. Y'all, the Mia Secret Cover Pink does match the Asiesta Polygel by McCart. So that's awesome. So you're not going to even really be able to tell the difference between the polygel nails and the actual acrylic nails. On my index nail, as you can see, we gonna do an ombre. So we already have those stuck down. Oh, and by the way, that particular flower, the blue one, the first one I placed on, I end up like peeling up the center and then just putting more flowers on it because it did not lay flat enough, and it was gonna make that nail super, super thick. But as far as this go, I'm gonna let you enjoy the rest of the acrylic application, and I'll pop back in a few. I just love acrylic applications. They are so relaxing. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and clean off the dust off these nails. If you want to see a shaping and filing video, I will leave that in the in the upper right hand corner of this video, as well as in the description box below. But let's go ahead and get into the design of these nails. So I was going to do two French nails, but because I was struggling with that polygel, baby, we no, we just gonna do this one, okay, on the middle nail, and that's just gonna be that. And then I just decided to cover up the entire pinky nail with the light blue. I used the three colors from the kit. The light blue, light blue was pastel blue, pastel yellow, and then the pastel green. I'm also not going to show my thumbnail on camera either, as I felt like the video was kind of long. But if you want to see that design in another video, I'll be more than happy to put that in like a nail art compilation type video. If you're interested in that, let me know that in the comment section below. On the middle nail, I did do two coats of that yellow. The first coat I cured, and then I did a second coat so that I was able to do the sugar effect. Now I did kind of mess up like on my middle nail and my thumb. I forgot to top coat those in matte first. So if you're going to do the sugar effect, just make sure that you do top coat. The other 3 nails are going to be shiny. And baby, that's going to be that for this design. Stay tuned to next week's videos. We do have another collaboration coming up. If this video has been helpful, consider subscribing to the channel and joining our nail family. Be sure to like the video and drop all of your comments in the comment section below. I always read all of my comments, and stay tuned for the final results. And as always, boss chicks, stay safe, stay healthy, and be blessed.
Who, who, who?